Hi guys, today we're going to talk about probability and then we're going to talk about equations. Probability is on page 113 and 114. Probability is the ratio of the number of successful outcomes to the number of possible outcomes. So P equals number of successful outcomes over number of possible outcomes. So the actual formula for that is P equals S over T. So what does that all mean? Let's say you're flipping a coin. So what are the chances that you're going to get heads? We do this in volleyball games to see who gets the serve. Well, what are our chances? What's the probability that we're going to get the serve? So when we flip a coin, let's say heads, the probability of us getting heads is 1, the number of successful outcomes is 1, and the number of possible outcomes is 2, because you could get heads or tails. So you have a 50% chance of getting heads. And make sure when you're doing probability, you always reduce. So let's say you have a box of marbles, and, for some reason I erased it. But let's say you had 8 yellow, 5 red, 4 green, 2 blue, and 1 black. Okay, I don't know why that got erased. So find the probability of drawing a yellow marble. So think about it. Okay, so we have 8 marbles. So the number of successful outcomes is going to be 8. And then the number of possible outcomes, add up all those numbers, 8, 5, 4, 2, and 1. That equals 20. So the probability of finding a yellow marble is going to be 8 out of 20, or 4/10 or 2/5. So we're going to reduce the fraction, and that is 40%. Okay, so we have a 40% chance of drawing a yellow marble. All right, 71% of the earth is water. Let's say we're going to choose a random point. We're going to take our finger and we're just going to point to a place on the earth. What is the chance that we're going to point to land? Well, if 70% of the earth is water, what does that mean? 100% is the earth, 71% is water. So how much is land? Well, 100 minus 71 is 29. So 29% is land. So the chances of us taking our finger and putting it on a point on the world that's going to be land is actually 29%. Okay? So you're going to work on page 114, numbers 1 through 6, and then look for your next video. Thank you.